Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. We have here a well-appointed and solidly built home for sale. It is situated in the very desirable neighborhood of Jacksonville, where most high commissioners, as well as a high contingent of diplomats reside. This house sits on approximately half acre of land. This residence consists of 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms, formal living room, informal living room, dining area, and a large gourmet kitchen with oodles of cupboards, and island setting with a vegetable sink, plus an additional double sink. This property has 2 staff rooms and a bathroom, a guardhouse, a generator, and ample parking for visitors. It has a very large, well-manicured lawn, a lovely swimming pool with gazebo in the back, and a few fruit trees completing the landscape. Please call now to schedule a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1,950,000 or Jamaican $300.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.